In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix this Kindle for Android problem where you are told your current device is not supported by Kindle. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, now if you are experiencing this on your Android smartphone, most likely it's because you are not running on the latest version of your Android app, or your phone has experienced a glitch that you need to fix. To do this, first you want to check and see if there is any update on your phone. For that, you can do it through settings and then go to phone app and see if we have the latest version. You can see this is my current version. Should you find that there is any update, go ahead and update your app. You also want to check Android security updates if they are available. Go ahead and turn them on. Update your phone. Once you have updated your phone to the latest version, now try to open your Kindle app, or if you are unable to install it, try and install it and see if this fixes your issue. But should you still be unable to use your Kindle app because of this error, then you want to troubleshoot your Kindle app by going to your settings again. So I'll go to settings because we want to access Kindle app info page, and from settings here just go to apps. From apps, look for manage apps or all apps. This will list all the apps you have on your phone. You need to turn it off. However, if you still have a challenge even after turning off VPN, then check and see if you have any update for your Kindle app from Google Play Store or App Store, and then update your app to the latest version. So if I go to Google Play Store here and tap on Kindle, for my case I don't have any update, but should you have one, update it to the latest version. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.